The small friend for 2 will be, if you close 2 fingers, you will be left with 3. So the friend will be 3. So the formula will be add the sister less the friend. So 2 will be add 5 less 3. So we can start with the first problem. That is 4 plus 2 plus 9. So add 4. To this you have to add 2. You cannot add 2 directly. You cannot use the big brother formula also, since you do not have 8 here. So you have to use the small sister. So add 5 less 3. And to this you have to add 9 now. Can you add 9 directly? No. Can you use the big brother formula? Yes. So less 1, add 10. So answer is 50. So let's repeat it again. 4, add to it. So that is 5 less 3. Then add 9 to it. So it's less 1, add 10. Answer is 15. Okay. Now let's move to the second sum, which is 19 plus 4 plus 2. 19 on the abacus is 1 and 9. Now you have to add 4 to it. Can you add 4 directly? You cannot add 4 directly. Can you use the big brother formula? Yes. So less 6, add 10. Now add 2 to it. Can you add 2 to it directly? You cannot. So you have to use, can you use the big brother formula? No, you don't have 8. So you have to use the small sister. So add 5 less 3. So it is now 25 is the answer. So let's redo it again. 19. Add 4 is use big brother formula less 6. Add 10. Use the small sister formula add 5 less 3. So 25 is the answer. Next problem is 21 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. So 21 on abacus is 20 and 1, 21. Add 2 to it. Can you add 2 directly? Yes, add directly. Now add 2 to it again. Can you add 2 directly? No. Can you use the big brother formula? No, because you don't have 8 here. So you have to use the small sister, which says add 5 less 3. Now add again 4 to this. Can you add 4 to this? Yes. So the answer is 29. Let's repeat the movement of the beads here again. 21, add 2. Add 2 is add 5 less 3, add 4 directly. So 29 is the answer.